Now we are going to clean the bath stone mat. This is what it looks like. It has mold on here, so we're going to remove the mold. And I've tried using the Clorox clinging gel and it actually damaged the board. So we're going to use the sodium percarbonate to remove this. So first, you're going to sprinkle about 1 tablespoon on top of a pad like this. And then spread it out evenly. And then I did another tablespoon, but we're gonna pour that on top afterwards. Pour the water, about 1/3 of it. And then put this board on top, like that. And then sprinkle this on top. And then pour more hot water until it covers the entire board. As you can see, it starts bubbling, so it's reacting with the chemical and the hot water. You can see it bubbling and reacting. So now you just scrub it off and it just comes off like that. So as you can see, the Clorox stain does not come off. It looks like it's going to be a permanent chemical stain on the bath mat, but it's okay, it's fine. But yeah, just scrub it after you've soaked the solution on the board and the mold easily comes off like that. I don't know if you can see it, but it just comes off. The board looks so good now. It barely has any stains.